Circus Maximus was the largest chariot stadium in ancient Rome. The 600-meter long stadium was located between the Palatine and Aventine Hill and could accommodate as many as 150,000 spectators. The first construction of Circus Maximus dates back to the 6th century BC, after which several emperors had the stadium expanded or rebuilt after major fires. After the conquest of Egypt in 31 BC on the part of Ottaviano Augusto, following Cleopatra's death, Roman funeral construction began to be inspired by Egyptian models, giving life to a real fashion. One of those who chose a pyramid as a tomb was Caius Cestius, a magistrate who organized banquets in honor of the most prominent persons, as can be seen on one of the inscriptions on the facade. Another inscription tells us that the construction works had to last no more than 30 days. The family members would have lost their inheritance. The tomb was built between 18 and 12 BC. The structure is 36 meters high and has a square base of about 30 meters per side. Piazza del Popolo is a very well known square in Rome. In Italian, the name means People's Square, but the name is actually derived from the poplars that surrounded the oval square. The original function of the neoclassical square, which was designed between 1811 and 1822, was welcoming visitors and pilgrims who entered Rome from the north over the Via Flaminia. Rome has an unforgettable appearance, particularly from the terrace of Monte Pincio. Below the terrace is the spacious Piazza del Popolo, looking like an imposing and lively theatre. Rome is, of course, one of the world's most culturally and architecturally rich cities, but as surprising as it may sound, in between the marble masterpieces and the infinite urban piazzas, it is more than possible to find an oasis of green. Easily the most celebrated of Rome's parks and gardens, Villa Borghese is the third largest public park in Rome, and once the estate of Cardinal Borghese, nephew to Pope Paul V and patron to Baroque sculptor and architect Gian Lorenzo Bernini. Far from your average backyard, Villa Borghese boasts an 80-hectare leafy retreat bursting with some of Rome's great treasures.